Hello friends, this is Akshata here with yet another delicious and tasty and quick recipe. Today I'll be showing you how to make some Palak Paratha. It is very easy and it is amazingly delicious. Now the first part is that we are going to make the Palak dough, and then we are going to make the filling or the stuffing like a paratha, and then we will roast our paratha on the pan. Now for the dough, we first require about 1 cup of blanched palak or spinach. In my description box below, I will leave the instructions as to how to blanch palak. Then in our dry powders, we have 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera seeds, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder or dhania powder. We will require about half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder, about half a teaspoon of chaat masala. I have taken about 4 very small garlic cloves and chopped them, and about 1 green chili, and then salt to taste. Now we are going to put all of this together in a blender and blend it to a paste. Now once we have made our palak puree with all the ingredients I showed you, we are going to make a dough. Now for the dough, I have taken about 1.5 cup of whole wheat flour. We'll require a nice big bowl like this to make our dough, some water if required, and some oil. So first what we'll do is we'll just put a few drops of oil to the bottom of our bowl. Then I will put in a little bit of my flour, that is whole wheat flour, and my palak puree. You might have to adjust the amount of the dough, that is less or more, according to how your puree has become. Sometimes if it's very wet, you might require more flour. If there's less moisture, you might require less flour. So it all depends on the consistency of the palak puree. Now I'll add my remaining flour, and I will knead all of this together. You can add water if you feel you require it. So in this way, our dough is prepared. Now we will just drizzle a few drops of oil and massage our dough. Now you can keep this dough to rest for at least 20 minutes, and now we'll prepare our filling. Now the second part of our palak paratha is making the stuffing. Now for that I have used almost 1 cup of grated processed cheese. You also can use grated paneer. So you require 1 cup of grated cheese or paneer. You require about 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi crushed, 1 green chili very finely sliced, the juice of 1 lemon, some coriander, and some salt. Now we are going to mix all of this together in a bowl. So we will start with putting in our cheese, or if you are using paneer, then your paneer. Next will go in your crushed kasuri methi, green chilies, the juice of 1 lime, and some chopped coriander leaves. I have taken about 1 cup, and some salt to taste. Now remember friends that you have already put salt in the palak dough, so accordingly put your salt to taste. Now we will just mix everything nicely together. That is our mixture. Let it all come together. Now a good thing to do when you're preparing your filling is to heat your pan. And now you can see that everything has been mixed together. This is our stuffing for our Palak Paratha. So now we will start making our Palak Paratha. Now for our paratha, we have our Palak dough ready. We have our cheese or paneer stuffing ready. We have some dry whole wheat flour. We have some clarified butter or ghee. Okay friends, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take some dry flour. Then we're going to take our dough, which is made out of spinach or palak. Remember, our pan is heating up on a slow to medium flame. Roll it out a bit. Take a little of your stuffing. Place it in the center. Just like how you make an aloo paratha or any other type of paratha. Assemble it in the center and then bring all the ends together like this. Turn it and take out this top portion and flatten it. Again use some dry flour and now with a very gentle hand, otherwise it tends to break because it's very delicate, just roll it out like you would a normal paratha or a chapati or a roti. If it breaks, you can just start all over again. So now you can see that our paratha is rolled up. And here our pan is also nice and heated up. So we'll just take our paratha very gently and place it on a hot pan. We'll let one side of it roast. Then just when you find that one side of it is a little brown, you can just lift it up gently and flip. Then you can apply some ghee or some clarified butter on the other side. Again, very gently flip. Apply some more clarified butter. And flip. Each paratha takes about 2 minutes to get nice and golden brown. And now you will see how your paratha is nice and got some nice golden brown color. It's time to now take off the paratha onto a plate. And here it is friends, our lovely palak paneer or palak cheese paratha. Now all I have done is I'm using a pizza cutter. I've cut it into 4 slices and serve it up with some nice chilled dahi or yogurt. So friends, if you like this easy and quick and healthy recipe, please do give this video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel by pressing the red subscribe button that you see below this video. This is Akshata saying bye and take care until the next video.